Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you I'm going to show you some tritone movement in the key of F sharp, but I'll teach you. So yeah, the word teaches, right? So before we start, you are watching, you've not clicked the subscribe button. Oh yeah, click that one now. Yeah, it doesn't take 2 seconds to do that, so I'm sure you've done that now. Okay, so we're gonna be in the key of F sharp, which has a F sharp. Let's just do sharps: G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F and F sharp. Okay, so let me just demonstrate what I'll be taking. So there's this song. You know this song, what a mighty God we serve. So we're going to do this part with tritone. This part that says, heaven and earth adore, even angels bow before. What a mighty So let me show you the basic movements first. So on the knobs, you will do something like heaven and earth, 1, you 2, then even angels bow, 3, then you go to 6 before you, then you do something like what a mighty, 2, 4, then 5, a 5 on 4, God, then we serve. So if you know that, you need to know that first. So your 1, 2, then 3, then 6. That's chord progression. I'm calling it chord progression. 2, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so now let's get to the tritone. You just jumped on this video at this point. You've not subscribed. Oh yeah, click the subscribe button like that. God bless you in Jesus' name. So it goes like this. Heaven as I have my number 1, 3, 5 chord. Heaven, you know the mark of professionalism, they say is simplicity, right? Yeah, so we are still simple even though we are doing some complex stuff. Alright. Heaven, then so from 1, so we're going to have a passing chord so that will not just sound heaven earth adore you, even angels bow before you, what a mighty God we serve. That was how you played it in the village then, but now we are in the city and we need to do better. Alright, so 1, heaven, so we're going to do a tritone passing chord like this, which says this is what's it called, G and D flat on the left. That's G and D flat on the left. Then on the right, I have B major chord, the second inversion. So I have that. So, but together the chord is a G major 7 flat 5 sharp 5. Yeah, figure that out if that's your business. So right. So we have this chord, G and D flat on the left, B major on the right, then to our 2. So my 2, I'm going to play A flat 9 sus4 chord, right? So if you can't see the notes are A flat, E flat, then I have G flat, B flat, and D flat on the right. So together. So heaven, earth, one more, then we have A major 7 flat 5 sharp 5. Let me call the notes for those who are interested in the notes. Yeah, because I believe some of you are writing. God bless you. All right, so on the left I have A and E flat. That's a tritone. That's a tritone. That's the 3rd and the 7th in the key of F. So on right I have a D flat triad. D flat chord. So together we have our A major 7 flat 5 sharp 5, right? Then we'll go to this chord. So heaven and earth, we are following the even, then sorry, heaven and earth. Now this chord is going to be a case for some people, for some of us it's not. So on my left I have a E flat major 7. So we have the 5 7, the 1 5 7 1. Then on my right hand I'm going to have what's it called, A flat major 7, sorry, A flat chord. So heaven and earth adore, even angels. So let me call the notes. Okay, I've called the one for the left. For the right we have A flat, C and E flat. Then on 6, then we'll go to 6. So on 6 we do something like diminished chords right there. So we're going to do something like, right, so it goes, so we go from 5 6 to flattened 7. So then I'm going to do a movement like this, A flat minor 6, right? So then to G minor 6 also. Yeah, you can see the note, that's G and then what's it called, E flat. Yeah, so A flat minor 6, G minor 6 to E major 6, then to D major 6, then to C sharp major 6. So we have a, so all this will happen on your 6 while having your 6 on your left. Then you go to your G diminished 7, yeah, passing chord. We are going to 2 again. Then to water. So to water. Left I have a flat, G flat, and B. If your hand can't get here, just pick the first 2. Then on the right I have what's it called, F sharp, right? So F sharp chord. So I have my melody note. Then I do the same on 4 also. So 2 2, then mighty God we serve. So all together we've learned heaven and earth adore. Sorry, heaven and earth adore, even angels bow before. What a mighty God we. You need to know that there are many other tutorials on this channel, over 400 of them. So you need to watch the next video, either forward or just check the one before this one. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you. Bye.